So chapter 7 coordinate geometry. The first thing that we have to learn in coordinate geometry is the distance formula. That is to find out the distance between 2 points. Now last in class 9 you have done coordinate system, right? In coordinate system you were plotting points. Now in class 10 it's not plotting of points, but it is basically some calculation regarding the points without actual plotting. Okay, so one method is to plot the points and measure the distance, but this is without plotting. So what is the distance formula? Please note this formula, that if there are coordinates x1 y1 and x2 y2 and you want to find out the distance between them, then this is the formula that we have to use. Okay, so distance can be found by using the formula root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, this is the distance formula. So I have given an example here. Suppose I want to find the distance between 3 comma minus 4 and 5 comma 6. I am not plotting it, I am using this formula. So normally we take this as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2, but you can take the reverse also, the answer will come same. So I am using this formula now, x2 minus x1. Okay, so your a I have assumed as x1 y1 and this I have assumed as x2 y2. Okay, now x2 minus x1, I am writing this as x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 6 minus of minus 4. Remember there's a negative here. So the formula has a negative and there's a negative here. So negative and negative will become positive. So you have to be very careful here. Here there was no issue. 5 minus 3 whole square. And this will become 6 minus of minus 4. That will become 6 plus 4 whole square. When you solve this, you will get 2 square. And when you solve this, you will get 10 square. So this will become 104 root. Now when you get 104, if it's a perfect root, then you can find out the root of that. If it is not, then you will do the prime factorization and make it into groups of 2. So here I find that 2 is going to come out, and what is left here, 2 and 13. So final answer you will get 2 root 26. Okay, so this formula can be used to find out the distance between 2 points.